Dixon, and this is another postcard from Moorhead. What's for supper, Lenore?
Steak, fried potatoes, soup beans, and roasted cabbage.
As Grandpa Jones would used to say. So, the specialty tonight is going to be roasted cabbage. I've got a few potatoes sliced up. Got the steak warming up to room temperature. Going to put some onion in my potatoes, some mushroom, and on my roasted cabbage, or cabbage steaks, whatever you want to call them. I'm also going to top it with a little bit of mozzarella cheese. So as you can see, I've started slicing up the potatoes. Going to finish that up. Need to get these over here in the skillet. Well, that has the potatoes cut up. Got a little onion fried. So now we're ready for the roasted cabbage. It's important how we slice this cabbage up. As you can see here, we don't need to cut it this way. It needs to be cut so it will hold together. It needs to be in about, inch and a quarter slices. There we go, like that. So it's going to hold together and make a nice cabbage steak. You want to probably start with a relatively small cabbage, because we've got a lot of other eats to go with this tonight. Now, to prepare our cabbage for the steaks, we need a little bit of olive oil to make sure they toast up really nice and well. You want to make sure you put this olive oil on both sides, or your peanut oil, whatever it is you're using, and on the sides as well. Don't miss any part of it. We're going to do the other slice. Yeah, get that olive oil over all of it, all over the sides, top, bottom. So what's next? Coarse pepper, some salt, and I'm going to put some mushrooms on top of this. And as an extra treat, after they've caramelized, say for about the last 10 minutes, I'm going to come back, going to put some bacon on top of this and mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and slide these into the oven. It's preheated 400 degrees. You just heard the buzzer go off. Takes about 20 minutes or until they are caramelized to suit you. As you can see, my roasted cabbage has been in the oven for 20 minutes, starting to caramelize, getting really toasty. So now I'm going to add a few more mushrooms, not many. And the main thing next that I'm going to do for this is put a little mozzarella cheese on there. Put it back in the oven for a few minutes, let this cheese melt. Potatoes are nearly done. The steaks are nearly done. So in another 5 or 10 minutes, we're going to show you the end result. 20 minutes later for the steak, the potatoes and the beans, and this is what supper looks like tonight. Roasted cabbage, pinto beans, steak, and fried potatoes. I want you to look at those fried potatoes. Now, the magic to this cabbage, look at that. Just a little bit of bacon right on top of it, right there. Now, you can put on your beans, some corn relish, or some Frank's hot sauce. Well, that's it. Another postcard from Moorhead. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Postcard from Moorhead. I'm Larry Dixon.